What's up, guys? The weather is getting good again. Well, ignore the clouds. It's at least not super cold. So there's the R7. We're not riding that today. One of my cooler coworkers is doing some travel for work, so he left me to take care of his bike. And fun fact, something about me, I've never ridden a cruiser or anything that's not a sports bike, so I have no idea what I'm doing. I turned it on a few times and rode it around the block to make sure it didn't die, but I really don't know what I'm doing, so hopefully I don't die. This is a Vulcan. Don't know much about it, but let's try to get to the gas station, check the tire pressure, put some gas on it, and not drop it, pretty much, hopefully. Weather's pretty freaking nice to be out, so I might ride the R7 too later. Shifting with the back of my foot is very awkward, but I cannot reach. Oh yeah, I can reach too. Upshift with the front. I'll try it out next time. It feels very heavy and fat. Wow, that downshift is aggressive. Alright, let's see if I can stop. Okay, that was weird. That felt super weird. I don't know if I like it. Now let's try to start in this little turn. Wow, that turns aggressively, and not fall. So if any of you watching right now watch my how to ride a motorcycle video, I'm probably gonna look like I'm learning how to ride, so you might see a lot of that duck walk, and like I said in that video, I'm gonna look a little goofy, but it's better to look a little goofy than to fall. Alright, that downshift felt a little bit better. I'm getting the brakes, I handed out the brakes, and okay, getting a hand of the turning, but still feels extremely weird. See if I can start on a slope. I don't know if I will be able to, because I don't know the. There you go. Okay, so the clutch, it's pretty close to the handlebar or to the grip. I don't know if I like that, but it's not my bike, so I can't really do many adjustments to it. I just gotta keep it running, keep the maintenance up, and not drop it. I know that sounds complicated, or that sounds simple, but like I said, I've never ridden a cruiser, so this is a brand new world to me. I think I'm in first. Feels weird not having a gear indicator. I got a bougie bike, I'm sorry. Oh, when you have a little bit of speed, it feels a lot easier to turn. But slow turns, a lot easier on my R7. Now just moving feels pretty much like any other bike. It doesn't feel heavy at all when you're moving. The sitting position is very weird to me. Honestly, I've never ridden anything but my R7, so, and this is incredibly comfortable to just sit with my back straight, my butt in a very soft sit. My feet have a whole goddamn, I don't know what to call it, subfloor. I'm not holding my foot in a small peg. Pause. Feels nice. Honestly, I can understand why people like cruisers, but that's not my thing at all. But I can see the enjoyment on it. You're still riding a motorcycle, and you should ride what you like. I got many friends that now ride only Harley Davidsons, and I don't understand it, but I can't judge them because it's a life. But where am I gonna go? I'll go right here. Also, I have no idea how much gas this takes, so we'll figure it out. Let's see if I can find neutral real quick. Nope. There it is. That wasn't as hard as I thought. Put the peg down just in case. Turn it off. Figure out how to open this. Believe it or not, I gotta turn off the music to focus. I figured it out. Okay, so there's something up here. Does this move independently? Oh god, I'm retarded. That was very easy. Should have paid for the gas first. Be right back. Nice. I honestly don't know what type of fuel this takes, but we'll do 87 today, and then I'll ask him next time. Perfect sticker for this. Oh, let's go back, ride around a little bit, keep the tires moving. Actually, I'm gonna check if I can check the tire pressure here. I don't know what the tire pressure is supposed to be, but the cold weather just ended, so I don't know why it says it's now full. Oh, it's still moving. Tank should be full. Yeah, just riding in a straight line, it's very easy. Turning feels very awkward. I'm getting a little bit more used to it, but it's still kind of weird to me. I'm gonna go to the other gas station that's close by, and then try to see if I can check the tire pressure there. It doesn't feel slow, but I also am not comfortable enough to push it. I might push it in a little bit when we get to the straight line, just to see how it feels. But it's also very bumpy. I don't know where the tire pressure is at, or what's supposed to be at, so I kinda don't want to wreck it. We'll go straight, actually. Let's go right here. Okay, that feels weird. So I don't know if it's just me, if you ride a Vulcan, or oh god damn, sheesh, or a cruiser, and you want to leave it in the comments, help me out. So my R7 or my R6 that I had before, when you turn, you get a very aggressive understeering, and when you turn in slow speeds, the bike just pretty much falls down with you. I don't know if I'm explaining that right anyways, but this just feels when I turn at very slow speeds, if I turn to the right, it just feels like the steering wheel is pushing very hard in this arm, like to turn all the way to the right by itself. I'll try to show it here now that we're gonna do a very slow speed here. So if I'm doing this, for example, right here the handlebars are just pushing my right arm, so I'm putting a lot of pressure here, pushing it out because it's just trying to go. I don't know if it's the size and the weight of the bike. Again, I've never ridden a cruiser, so if you have, help me out. I'm trying to understand what I'm doing here, but it feels weird because I'm used to, you know, you put as little pressure in the handlebars as possible, you let the bike ride itself, and you just put the input that you need. If you want the bike to go to the left, you know, push a little to the left, lean to the left. If you need to go to the right, go to the right. This feels like I'm doing a lot, really. Alright, here we go. Sorry, I saluted with my right hand. I was holding the clutch and I didn't want to dump it. So that turn felt very good. That felt incredible. Just that long left turn. But when it's a tight, slow turn, it just feels like it's pushing it. Alright, let's push it a little bit. Alright. Let's lower it down before the fuzz shows up. That didn't feel bad at all. That was very surprising. I'll do another pull when we're coming the other way, going back. That got to 70 pretty quick. I like it. It doesn't feel like he has that I'm gonna kill you type of torque, but it also don't have so little torque to where you're gonna be like, am I gonna be able to overtake this vehicle in the highway? That felt pretty good. Let's try. Okay, here we go. We're gonna try a U-turn real quick. Might have downshifted a little too much, too aggressively there. Let's try a quick U-turn. Okay, that felt weird, but not bad. I think I'm getting used to it. I think I feel the tires being very low, and I don't like it. Let's see if this tire pressure gauge, it's coin only. Damn it. Let's go inside for a second and get some quarters so I can figure out the tire pressure situation here. Actually, we can't do it. I just realized there's no way of checking how much air pressure we have currently, so I guess we'll quit this nonsense, go back, ride around a little bit, keep trying to feel what this motorcycle does. I'm gonna go down here, pull really hard, but pause, go down this road, see how it feels. Look it up. This is hard. Big heavy bike. I don't know if you guys can see the high vis yellow I got on today. My wife got me this hoodie because I asked. And I like riding with it because, come on, everybody can see this damn bright yellow from a mile away. Like that guy that decided to pull out right behind me and be very unsafe about it, but whatever, we'll let him slide this time. Alright, after this car goes by, we'll pull it, see what we can do. Ooh, that's only third gear. That felt nice. Keep it in the high RPM. And then we'll go over here. Try it again. Sheesh, not bad. Just kidded, that bad tire. Forgot not every bike has anti-lock brakes. That's a pretty fun piece of content right there. Could have died. Good thing we know how to handle a skid, and hopefully when my coworker sees that, he doesn't charge me a whole new tire. Feels okay. You can feel the tire pressure is low, I think, because it's bouncing the same way that my R7 bounces, in a way that you know that's not the suspension. It's like this tiny jumping up and down every time the tire spins, but it feels okay. I don't want to go too low because I don't know how low the exhaust and everything else in this bike goes. But not gonna lie, first impressions actually riding it, it's pretty fun. I like it. I'm gonna have it for a while. So I did an oil change right before he left with him, so I know it's not gonna need an oil change for a while, but we'll keep an eye on everything else. Maybe I can do some big maintenance of everything before he comes back, just so when he comes back his bike is all, you know, top shape. He doesn't have to worry about anything after being away for so long. But I'm getting used to the turning. Wow, nice S2000. Getting used to the turning. So I'm gonna brake right here. Oh wait, I don't have a stop, so I'm not gonna stop. I'm just gonna turn. That feels weird. So I'm doing so much pressure with my right arm to keep the handlebars from just snapping to the right. But I don't know if that's just my inexperience with this type of bikes. But the ride is so comfortable. I'm just back here. You know what? Let's try some. Not here, too bumpy. Yeah, we're gonna try something stupid. Let's sit in the passenger seat, see how it feels. Wow, that's fucking comfortable, man. It feels so comfortable, you don't believe it. This chair is so soft. It's like a little oval, so it's weird in your butt. But let me try some. Oh god, the backrest. Game changing. I don't have enough space to get a lot of speed, and these streets are not the best. If he had a cruise control, shit, that'll change everything. But wow, that back seat is comfortable. It's so soft. The backrest is so soft. I'm out here handling the back seat. If anyone sees me, they're gonna think I'm a goofy goober. But I'm sorry. Shouldn't have said that. But yeah, so this position right here, I got my feet all the way forward, kind of relaxing my legs. Something it's hard to do in the R7. My arm is just doing enough pressure in the handlebar to keep the bike going, and it is very comfortable. I feel like I understand why people like it, but I don't think I'm ready for it, if you know what I mean. Just put it in neutral. I like it, I like it. I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna go ahead and go home, relax. It was a long day of work, but I wanted to make sure the bike gets run, because you don't want the fuel to go bad in the tank. And I might do more videos with it when I kind of figure out more how this works. I didn't skid the back tire there. Getting better. And please let me know if you guys want to see this bike again. If you guys want me to post a video when I do maintenance on it. I'm not Vulcan mechanic, but pretty sure YouTube will teach me how to do whatever I need to get done. But yeah, love you fellas. Goodbye.